Hi, today we will discuss something about time management. Time is a resource which has been equally divided by the God to every one of us. Some people have more money, some people have more intelligence, some people get good health. While time is something which is equally divided, which everybody gets 24 hours in a day. How you choose to use those 24 hours defines what you will earn or what will you achieve at the end of your life. So today we will discuss something about how to use the best possible way those 24 hours which are gifted to you, and as they are called the present. Time management starts with what everybody knows is goals. You need to have clearly defined goals which can be implementable, which can be achievable, which are measurable, which are realistic, and which are time bound. These goals are also known as SMART goals. However, what setting up of SMART goals ends and where time management begins is when you convert those goals into tasks. Tasks are something which are tactical things, which are to-do things, which you need to do to achieve these goals. Most important thing which people with all lofty goals fail is priority. You have a lot of goals, but are those which goals are priority? A priority, B priority, C priority. So when you prioritize your goal, you have a priority over task. The same priorities you need to carry forward here. So many people fail in giving the wrong priority to the goals and subsequently carry forward to the task. Sometimes they have priority of goals very clearly, but if you ask them what is the day, how do they spend their day, then the day is not spent in the same priority as they have planned their goals in. So prioritize accordingly that goals should be achieved in. So for example, my goal is to reduce weight and my goal is to earn a lot of money. Now which goal will you do first? This is something which you need to decide in priority. Now it's not necessary that at 6 o'clock you can do something which you can earn money in, but yes, 6 o'clock you can exercise. So however, if you have a choice to make, then a clear-cut priority will help you go a long way in managing your time. Next comes, will you make a to-do list? What happens is that you have to have a list of things which you need to achieve tomorrow. So try to make a to-do list before you leave for home every day. So when you leave for home, tomorrow what I need to do? I need to do this. Technology has gifted us with things like to-do list can be made on mobile. So even when you wake up at say maybe 2 o'clock in the night and you remember some task, you can write it down in your mobile so that when you come to their office, you can do the work which you just remembered at 2 o'clock in the night. Most people have this problem of, they go right till here, have a goal, know the task to achieve the goal, and then they list down next to-do list for the next day. But most people fail when they don't date it. So, for example, I have to call Mr. X tomorrow. Then I put it in my to-do list today. But suppose I have to call Mr. X 1 week later. What do? Well, people write in the to-do list every single day for 15 days. That will make your to-do list longer and longer, and you will get overwhelmed and stressed out just because you have a long to-do list. Actually, you don't need to see to that item for 15 days or 1 week or whatever time period. You don't have to do anything on. So to-do list should be very much dated, very much specific, and very much to the point. It should not have a project or a goal in a to-do list. Like to-do list cannot have, say maybe, lose 5 kgs. Lose 5 kgs. This is not a to-do list item. What is a to-do list item is? Exercise for 1 hour. That is something which is a to-do list thing and which you can do next day. However, this is something which is a recurring thing. I think it should be recurring if you want to really lose 5 kgs. But what people again mistake here, that to-do list should not be of a recurring activity. It can go to onto your calendar. It can go to it can eventually go to as a log item in your diary. But to-do list should be, so again this is a questionable. If it's for the first time, it's something which you do it, to break the cycle, exercise for 1 hour, okay, that can be to-do list. But a to-do list can be, say, prepare a exercise plan. That's a to-do list. Okay, so if your goal is to lose weight, this is a good goal. Lose weight 5 kg is a goal, it's not a task. Task is, say maybe, prepare exercise plan, and then it's a routine to exercise for 1 hour. So that's how you manage your time. Another important, very important time management tip I would like to give you today is that do not have time wasters on your calendar. So what are the major time wasters in your routine life? Watching a movie which you don't like, doing a meeting which does not meet your goals, or does not give you happiness, or does not give you anything, no money, no happiness, and still you have to do that meeting, something you need to pull yourself out of. So time wasters can be friend walking into the office, into your cabin, spending few minutes with you. Now that can happen once or twice, it's okay, but when it happens routine, like a colleague frequently coming into like wasting your office hours, it is something which is really going to cost you your time. Just put, like, say 20 minutes every day. If you have time waste, it will become about, say, 1 hour in a week, which you can save easily 1 hour you can save by not doing, like, avoiding the time wasters. Time wasters are also say maybe frequently visiting social media sites, frequently having diversions of email, of instant messaging. These are also very minor. They may take up, like, say half a minute, but overall it will break the rhythm in which you are working and it will cost you a lot of time. So time wasters, avoid time wasters and use your time in a very good way, and keep your to-do list very to the point, very clear, and trust me, it's the biggest tip I'm using myself, a very focused to-do list, and it has a high priority, low priority and medium priority. It has dated, and also I put, if I have a task to follow up with someone, I put his name there, so I know whom I have to follow up with for any task. This way, once you get all your goals set in your mind clear, and what things you need to do to achieve those goals, and those are in your to-do list, your life is set. It will give you a lot of stress-free work, efficient work time, and eventually you will achieve a lot more than you can imagine. So that's Manan Choksi. Thank you. And if you have any questions, please feel free to write to me at mgc@mgchoksi.com. Thank you.